Introducing the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and the mid-range Marvel Galaxy A54. At first glance, they may seem like siblings, but delve deeper, and you'll discover a world of difference. The burning question: does that extra $150 for the base models really make a difference? As with most things in the ever-evolving world of tech, the answer isn't straightforward. Let's dive right in and uncover the truth. First off, aesthetics and durability take the stage. The S23 FE and A54 share a sleek design, but the S23 FE takes the lead with an aluminum frame and an impressive IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Meanwhile, the A54 opts for a plastic frame and a still commendable IP67 rating. Both phones boast Gorilla Glass Victus 5 on the front and back, but when it comes to color options, the S23 FE steals the show with vibrant choices like mint purple, indigo, and tangerine, while the A54 sticks to lime, graphite, violet, and white. Now, let's talk displays. Both phones feature a 6.4-inch screen with identical resolutions and a silky smooth 120Hz max refresh rate. However, the S23 phase display shines brighter at 1450 nits, leaving the A54 in the shade at 1000 nits. The power game is where things get interesting. The S23 FE packs a punch with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Exynos 2200, while the A54 settles for the mid-range Exynos 1380, a generation older. Despite its age, the S23 phase chipsets promise superior graphics and processing speed, placing it in a league above the A54. It's all about visibility, especially in bright condition. Cameras, a crucial aspect in any smartphone comparison. The S23 FE impresses with an 8-megapixels telephoto lens, whereas the A54 features a 5-megapixels macro shooter, a rarity in mid-rangers. Both phones share a 50-megapixels main and 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera, seemingly similar based on megapixels, but the devil is in the details. Let's shift our focus to audio. The S23 FE, part of the Fan Edition series, is likely to inherit the superb audio quality from its flagship sibling. In contrast, the A54, while good for the price, might not match the audio prowess of the S23 FE. Lastly, battery life and charging. The A54, with its power-efficient chipset and larger battery, takes the lead in endurance. Both phones support a maximum of 25W wired charging, but the S23 FE outshines with wireless and reverse wireless charging, a feature absent in the A54. Some text goes here: so, which is the better deal? The truth lies in your priorities. Whether camera performance and processing power steer your decision towards the S23 FE, or if battery life and expandable storage make the A54 your champion, that $150 price difference for the S23 FE might just be worth every penny. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. This is Mr. Tech, signing off.